Hi everyone, it's Tori from Twinkl here today. Now what we're going to do is talk about a few ways that you can help support the mental health and the well-being of your class in school. And we've taken some of these ideas from the groups again because they are such a good source of information and ideas and support. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about is this, and this came from Lucy. Now she has this sort of sign in her classroom. Now I've done it here, but you could do it on a whiteboard or you could put up a display board, and what you can do is put different categories that the kids can then write their name onto a post-it and stick. So the top one says I'm A-OK, and that's for kids who are feeling brilliant and they've maybe even want to tell you about it, so something amazing that's happened or something brilliant. I'm fine, it's just I'm okay, I'm doing all right, just a normal day. The bottom two are the ones that are really interesting and the ones that can really help. So the bottom one says, I'm fed up and I need a chat. So the idea is that the kids can put the idea or whatever it is they need to talk about on the post-it, but they can put their name on the back so that it's anonymous. I'm okay and I need a chat will tell you that they need something, that they need a bit of help, that they're not coping with a particular situation. But the really good thing about this is this section. I'm not great, but I have a plan. Because what we don't want is for the children to feel that if they put something here and then, well, we've had to chat now, it's fine, and they've got to go back up here. Because we know that not every problem can be solved straight away and not every problem can be solved with a quick chat. But that we can have a plan and that we know things are going to get better. And that's why this is the best bit, I think. That it teaches the children that it's okay not to be okay. The next one I want to show you is a brilliant idea, and we are not sure where this has come from, but we know it was a amalgamation of lots of different ideas. So I've called it the Chatterbox. This goes at the front of the classroom, and it's a place so that people can write any issues that they might want to tell you about that they need a bit of help with. But what the really good bit about it is, and this is the idea that came from the group, was that rather than waiting for children to put something in here, was to make every single child put a piece of paper in every day. And the reason why that was so important was because what it does is it doesn't single out or draw attention to those kids who need some help. Because everybody has to put a piece of paper in, no one knows who needs help and who doesn't. And so if you've got a child who's maybe feeling a bit vulnerable, who's not confident enough to be able to speak up about those problems, it gives them an avenue, it gives them a way of getting that information to you. And I think that's wonderful. The final thing that I want to talk about is a Twinkl resource, and this is from the Calm Corner pack. And this is a dice that allows you, when you're feeling fed up or frustrated, so this is brilliant for helping the children start to be able to manage their own emotions without your help all the time. They come up and they throw it and gives them an action that they need to take that can help them feel better. So that one's talk to someone. There's draw a picture, write about it, read a book, take a deep breath. All of these are really practical solutions that can help children manage their own emotions and still feel those feelings, but just not have them take over. So I hope these are giving you some ideas, and I'd really love it if you could share your ideas in the comments so that we can all help our classes manage their own wellbeing and their mental health the best that they can. Thanks.